Watch the left side, coming through. Bring the next pallet up here.
As the eggs move into the climate-controlled interior, the digital displays confirm optimal conditions for the incubation process.
Batch is complete. Should we authorize the reset? Yes, the dosage levels are confirmed.
The automated sorting is missing a few weak ones here.
I see it. Let me adjust the sensitivity.
Manifest confirms batch 42, destination Farm B.
Copy that. Moving the last stack now.
Maintaining a steady 32 degrees Celsius using these radiant heaters is vital for the early growth stage of the white leghorn chicks.
Look at the consumption rate here.
Yeah.
Yes, the new feed mix is working well.
These automated nipple drinkers ensure a continuous supply of clean, filtered water, crucial for the hydration support process.
The average weight is spot on. This automated system ensures we're tracking the flock's growth precisely in real time.
We need that pallet on truck 3 right now. Keep it moving, folks.